Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you are into design, marketing or social media, Canva is probably a tool that you have heard of or even used before. Today I am excited to share how you can get the lifetime access to Canva for freemium. But first of all, for those who might not know, Canva is an online design platform that allows you to create stunning visuals for anything, from social media posts to presentation flyers and more. It's a user-friendly and packed with tons of templates, making it a go-to tool for both beginners and seasoned designers. Canva Pro takes your design to the next level with features like access to millions of premium photos, videos, and templates. You can use the magic Resize tool for easy resizing and also background remover for polished designs. Whether you are a content creator or a business owner, or Canva Pro helps you to create stunning visuals effortlessly. Now here's the best part, you can get Canva Pro for a lifetime directly from my website. No monthly fees, no annual renewals, just lifetime access. Simply visit the link in the description or the pinned comment below to get started. In here you will see a pop-up box will appear. Now you need to select any of this slot from A to M or N, and you will see this kind of boxes. So just open in a new tab. If you see any error like this, just close it and again reload and select the box, and here you can see you are in the premium of Canva. If you are serious about your design, don't miss this opportunity. Click in the link description or pinned comment to grab your Lifetime Canva Pro subscription. Thank you for watching. I'll see you in the next video.